So first of all, you delete that default text, then give your background a color. As you can see, I used a dark color for the first layer and a light color for the second layer. Make it like this. Then you bring in your shape. I'll use a square shape, then give it a radius. Let's say radius of 55%. Then position it well. It's okay. Next, you activate your Bezier tool. As a beginner, if you want to learn how to use this Bezier tool very well, just go to my video list on my YouTube channel. Then you will see a step-by-step tutorial on how to use the Bezier tool, how to use all the actions there, how to activate the different modes. I explained them in the video. For this design, I'll position my Bezier tool like this, then add another point and press it. Your layers may not be exactly like this, so you can choose to, use your creativity to bring out something nice. If you want to replicate this design, please watch closely. It's pretty easy. Now give it a color. This color is okay. It's okay, it's okay. Look here. Next, you bring it another shape. Give it a radius. Position it well. This is okay. Copy it. Give it a dark color. This is okay. Then take it to the back. Learn how to move your layers. After that, reduce the opacity. Then position properly. That's that for that. The next, bring in our photo. We'll be using this beautiful photo for our design. Position properly. Remember, the flyer is for an A3 brand. Position properly. Watch how I'm going to take this photo to the back. Just watch here. Use that to back feature there. And move it to the back. Next, you square shape and position it to give it a radius. I think this will serve as a tray for using. Yeah, it's okay like this. It's not looking real now, so all you need to do is to apply shadow to the photo there. Apply shadow. Hold on, before then, edit the photo so that it will be brighter. Now apply shadow. This is it. Increase your blur radius. Then adjust your X and Y rotation. Almost done. Next, you bring in a circle shape. I want to make it look like a 3D sphere. Yeah. Take your time to adjust it properly to get a good result. I guess it's okay like this. Yeah, it's okay like this. Now bring your text. Take note of how I'll apply contrast. Also take note of the way I selected my font. I believe as a graphic designer you should know the importance of selecting the right font and applying contrast to your text. Don't just watch. Yeah. I'll make this text the biggest because it's a major name there. Next I'll add another text. This time it'll be smaller. Then I'll use a different color. All I'm trying to do is to show contrast so that my viewer will be able to focus his eyes on the major text. Yeah, this is nice. Duplicate it and give it a different color, then you edit the text, change it. Good. do well to align your text. As you can see, I activated my grid lines to ensure accuracy. Give it a good font and the right size. You can choose to use your spacing feature to separate the letters so that they won't be closely packed together. Then you adjust. Remember to always use your grid lines to ensure accurate alignment. Now position your text well, position it well. I'm coming back. I'll come back to this. It's okay now. It's now time to include our patterns so that our design will not look too plain. But you still see the beauty of adding patterns and icons to your design. Watch closely so you can do the same. Copy that and position it properly. Reduce the size. Do the same to the last one. To make another pattern. Just watch. Though I have an already made pattern, but I decided to create this one from the scratch so you can learn how to be creative too. It's part of learning. As a designer, you should learn how to do things from the scratch. It's not everything you download. Most persons learn to create background from the scratch, and it saves them from the stress of looking for a good background online. So you just create them from the scratch. So learn to be creative too. Yeah, we are done. Merge and don't forget to save as project before saving as image. Yeah, just adjust a little adjustment. Now save as image. You try and save. Thanks for